Desktop icons missing on Windows 11 fix. So if your desktop icons are actually missing and then you would like to fix it, it is very simple to do so. So right here on the home screen, you can see that I do not have any icons. There has to be at least some kind of icons like recycle bin and so on, but it's not there. Now, if I go to my file explorer and then if I go to my desktop tab from here, you can see these are the icons on my desktop, but these are not showing up on my home screen on desktop. Now that's only because it is actually hidden. It is not missing or anywhere, it's just hidden. And to unhide it, you want to right click anywhere on your computer. Once you right click, you'll find these options. Here under the view tab, when you hover over it, you'll find this option that says show desktop icons. Currently, you can see this is unchecked, which means that's why it is actually hidden. So you have to just turn this on, and when you turn on show desktop icons, all the icons will be back there. But if you want to hide it again, you can always go to view and then choose to hide it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.